National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Dakota County, southeastern Scott County, northeastern Rice County, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Webster, or 12 miles northwest of Northfield, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Elko New Market around 4:30 p.m. Lakeville and Farmington around 4:45 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south central and southeastern Minnesota. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is weather radio.